You know what I've noticed? The more that I love myself and know myself, the more that I can see when other people are willing to sweep incompatibilities under the rug. And when people do that, when they're willing to do that and not actually be in reality about genuine incompatibilities, I know that that person is not in the same space in their life as I am. I've consciously chosen to only be in relationships with other people who actually know themselves, because I can't be in a relationship with somebody who doesn't know themselves. And it doesn't feel safe to me to be around people who don't know themselves, because I don't actually know if what I'm interacting with is real or not. And it's generally very obvious to me very quickly whether somebody has the capacity for self-responsibility, accountability, self-awareness or not. But obviously there's also so much more that goes into compatibility than just that. And the more healed that I become, the more I can play things out instead of in my mind. Like I can see where that timeline would lead instead of having to actually go down that timeline and live it out the hard way. Because I actually know myself and I can see the person for what they actually are and where they are in their development, I don't have to go down the timeline of being disappointed by that person if I already know that that's where that timeline is going to lead. Obviously, there's a lot of things that we don't know, right? Sometimes we just have to take a chance. But it's really my hope that people prioritize actual compatibility, meaning what do you need, value, etc.,